How to delete search history in Chrome. Deleting search history in Chrome browser is quite easy and simple. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Chrome browser on your device. Make sure to log in or sign into your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select History on this drop-down menu box. These are all your history on Chrome browser. If you wish to delete particular, you can tap and hold and select the trash button at top right corner of the screen. But to delete all your search history at once, select Delete Browsing Data at top left corner of the screen. Now tap All Time at top right corner of the screen and select All Time. Choose every browsing data you want to delete. Tap Delete Data at bottom right corner of the screen and all the search history and browsing history of Chrome will be deleted. That's it. That's how we easily delete search history or Chrome browsing history in simple way. I hope this video worked. If this video was helpful, then do like, share, comment on this video, subscribe for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.